Yeah, 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 yeah.
The great Kokobula again. This time around, I'm on suits. Yeah, I'm on that other attire that you people are kind of not used to. Yes, of course, I'm a traditional healer, but on some other times we have got to know that I've got a life that, like any other human being in the outside world, outside spirituality and traditional healing. People are seeing me on those leopard traditional African traditional clothing. This time around, I am in these powder blue outfits. People have got to know me on the traditional outfits and know me on the other side of the life as a family man, as that guy out there. Yes, we cannot deny that human life on earth is characterized with many problems. Yes, of course it is. Each day comes with its imagined problems because life does not come with everything we want every time. We need to work and pray to God and our ancestors. In any situation where the hope has been lost, the great Kokobula, through the anointing powers from God, the oracles and the ancestors will enlighten the whole of your lost magnificence, making you to have the life full of abundance. Through the anointing powers from God, the oracles and the ancestors, you will be blessed with everything. For sure your God, the oracles, and your purified and invoked ancestors will not want to be ashamed by your disgraces. They will make sure you prosper to get the appraisals of their guardianship on you. As useful ancestors, as useful angel guides, and God will want to have and take the credit on that one. Be blessed and stay blessed. This is it for today.